Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cooking with Nadeem. So once again I'm here with new recipe. So today I'm gonna show you, it's very special, it's very different things. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the broccoli soup. It's really very yummy and very good for health. It's really very easy to make at home just with simple ingredients. So I show you what ingredient we will use for this soup. It's very easy to make at home. So I show you the ingredients. So guys, here we have something for making the broccoli soup. So I will be use the 200-gram broccoli I cut ready, and then here I got the onion. I use the onion is I got 50-gram only for just flavor. It's really very good be flavor wise. And then here I got some cabbage also I cut already, is also 60-gram cabbage, 60-gram onion, 50-gram. And then here I got 30-gram spring onion, is for just very good color, and then flavor wise also very good, and then very good for your stomach. It will be really beneficial for you. And then here I got some carrot I cut ready in the cubes. It's up on you. If you don't want to use carrot, you don't use, you can skip it. And then here I got some chopped garlic and ginger. It's very good for flavor, and then very good for digestive system. It's really very good in the soup. It's very nice flavor. So here, and then also here I got the black pepper and salt. You can use, if you want to use the ajinomoto, you can use the ajinomoto also, but I don't use ajinomoto, and I just use a black pepper half teaspoon, and then salt also half teaspoon. And here I will be use some soya sauce. You can use dark sauce also, you can use soya sauce. And then here I got the vinegar. I'm using the vinegar is just only 1 tablespoon. It will be really nice, like a sour flavor you can feel. If you don't want to vinegar, you can skip it also. So let's start. Now I show you how we make the soup. So now guys, here I got one pot ready. So everything need to put in the pot. I use the pan like this pot, you can use. And then here I got some onion also. Everything just put together. Everything need to put the garlic ginger, cabbage, and then here the spring onion. And now we have to put water inside and just boil it. Now guys, I put already everything in the bowl and then just put on the stove. So now we have to wait for the boiling. So this one we can boil is until 15 to 20 minutes. After that we got, it's really very nice soup. So it will be very healthy for us, and then very good for everyone, special for diabetes patient, and special for high cholesterol and high blood pressure patient can take this one. Really it will be very good for health. Not much ingredient, not much any other things. If you want, but this one is actually vegetarian. If you want to put some chicken stock or chicken cubes or like some chicken also, you can put inside for flavor. It will be also good for you. But if you don't want, if you want to skip that one, so just only you just make like this only, the vegetarian soup. So now we have to wait for 20 minutes. You can see our soup is boiling. So now we have to add the vinegar and then soya sauce. So now we have to wait for the boiling. So guys, after the 10 minutes, I see already the soup is boiling. So I put already the soya sauce and vinegar. Now I have to put the black pepper and salt. Just only wait for some more 10 minutes. After that our soup will be ready. Now friends, you can see it's 20 minutes already. Our soup is ready. So now here I got the cornstarch. I just put 1.5 tablespoon just only for thickness. If you don't want, you can skip it also. So this one just only put for thickness. So I just put the cornstarch, and then just after put the cornstarch, we have to boil for just only, we have to put the cornstarch like this only. Just put and then move a bit. So now guys, our soup is ready. So now we have to boil just only some more 2 minutes only. After 2 minutes our soup will be ready and then will be thick also. So friends, here you can see our broccoli soup is ready. Yummy and delicious soup is ready. So now I put in the bowl already. So we can serve like this. For the topping, it's really also very healthy and then very good for you and then very good for health. So just only a bit only just put on a top for a shining or for a good looking, just only a bit. Now I put ready olive oil. So guys, you can see it's very nice presentation wise and then good also. So guys, today I show you how to make the broccoli soup. So next I will show you some other soup also. I got some other soup also, so then I will show you how to make that one. So please take care yourself, take care your family, and then please, if you want to watch my new videos, subscribe my channel, like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.